Here is a stock WGP RAM. I'm going to just pull apart, take a look at the internals. Obviously there's no back bar, but there is the front barb on it, so I can take that apart. Here we can see the shaft. Pull that out. Here's the shaft right here. You can see the bumpers on either side of the shaft. Probably not focusing, but there's our bumpers. Here's our back hex portion. Hard to tell, but we do have an O-ring in there. You can almost see that. In here, this is just empty, and we have a barb on the front. Reassemble. There we go, now we're reassembled.